Being a stay-at-home mom is already a full-time job, but that doesn't mean you can't earn extra income while taking care of your kids. The truth is, there are now countless opportunities that allow moms to make money at home without sacrificing time with their little ones. Whether you want to help with the household budget or just enjoy having some spending money of your own, working from home has never been more accessible or more flexible. More and more stay-at-home moms are discovering creative and realistic ways to earn from home. From simple side hustles to long-term online careers, you can choose something that fits your schedule, your energy, and your lifestyle. There's no need to feel guilty about not having a traditional job. The world has changed, and so has the way people work. You can build income from your living room, during nap times, after bedtime, or even on weekends, whatever works for you. The best part is that making money at home doesn't require big investments or professional experience. With just your phone, your creativity, or a skill you already have, you can start your own work-from-home journey. Whether it's selling handmade items, offering services online, creating digital products, freelancing, or tapping into passive income opportunities, there is something out there for every mom. Working from home gives you the freedom to stay close to your children while also becoming financially independent. It allows you to grow, contribute, and feel empowered, all from the comfort of your home. You don't have to choose between being a great mom and earning income. With the right opportunities, you can do both, and do them well. So if you're ready to explore new possibilities, boost your confidence, and turn your time at home into something profitable, you're in the perfect place. Let's dive into the world of earning money as a stay-at-home mom and discover the opportunities waiting for you. Exploring the challenges and advantages of earning money as a stay-at-home mom. Being a stay-at-home mom is a rewarding and fulfilling job, but it can also come with its fair share of challenges. One of the main challenges is the financial aspect. Many moms may feel the need to contribute to the household finances or simply want some extra spending money for themselves and their family. Thankfully, there are surprising ways to make money at home while still taking care of your little ones. Balancing home responsibilities while generating income comes with unique challenges. Many stay-at-home moms find it difficult to juggle childcare, household duties, and work commitments simultaneously. However, this lifestyle also offers several advantages, such as flexibility and the ability to prioritize family while still contributing financially. Challenges to consider. Time management is the biggest hurdle. Without a structured schedule, it's easy for tasks to overlap or get delayed. Another challenge is maintaining focus while managing interruptions at home. Advantages of working from home. Flexibility allows you to set your own hours and tailor your work around family routines. Additionally, staying at home can reduce commuting costs and provide more personal time, creating a better work-life balance. Top high-paying work-from-home opportunities for stay-at-home moms. There's a growing number of high-paying opportunities for moms who want to work from home. Choosing the right role depends on your skills, interests, and availability. Remote freelancing. Roles like virtual assistants, content writers, graphic designers, and social media managers are in high demand and often pay well for flexible hours. Consulting and coaching. If you have specialized knowledge in areas like finance, fitness, or career coaching, offering online consulting can generate significant income. Online tutoring and teaching. With education moving online, teaching languages, math, or other skills remotely can be both rewarding and profitable. Unleashing your entrepreneurial spirit. Ideas for small businesses to start from home. For moms looking to create something of their own, home-based businesses are a great option. Entrepreneurship allows creativity while maintaining control over work schedules. Home-based services. Consider services like daycare, pet sitting, or bookkeeping, which can be managed from home with minimal overhead. Product-based businesses. Selling handmade crafts, beauty products, or customized items online via platforms like Etsy or Shopify can create a reliable income stream. Digital products. Ebooks, courses, or printable planners are products you can create once and sell repeatedly, combining creativity with scalability. Creative methods of earning passive income while managing home duties. Passive income lets you earn money without constant active work, freeing time to focus on family. Affiliate marketing. By promoting products through blogs, social media, or newsletters, you can earn commissions with minimal ongoing effort. Investment income. Dividends from stocks or interest from savings accounts can generate steady income. Real estate investments, such as rental properties, also offer long-term revenue. Automated online businesses. Drop shipping or print-on-demand stores allow you to sell products online without managing inventory directly, creating income that runs largely on autopilot. Enhancing your skills and knowledge for higher-paying opportunities. Enhancing your skills and knowledge as a stay-at-home mom can open up doors to higher-paying opportunities and provide you with even more financial independence. Continuous learning and personal growth are key in staying relevant and competitive in the ever-evolving job market. Luckily, there are various ways to enhance your skills and increase your knowledge right from the comfort of your own home. One way to enhance your skills is by investing in online courses. There are countless online platforms that offer a wide range of courses in various subjects, from business and marketing to graphic design and coding. These courses are often self-paced, allowing you to learn at your own convenience. By enrolling in courses that align with your interests and career goals, you can acquire new skills that are in high demand and position yourself for higher-paying job opportunities. Upskilling through online courses. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or LinkedIn Learning provide certifications in areas like digital marketing, coding, project management, and finance. Networking and mentorship. Connecting with other professionals or joining online communities can lead to better job opportunities, collaborations, and business growth. Practical experience. Freelance projects, internships, or volunteer work can provide hands-on experience, making you more attractive to potential employers or clientele. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides.